Let's make these super delicious and healthy sprout tikkis which gets ready in just 10 minutes. For these I have taken all types of sprouts, but you can take any available sprouts. The process I am going to share is same for all. So to make these tikkis we need to mix some ingredients together first, which includes roughly chopped onion, green chilies, ginger, some beetroot slices for nice color, and cumin seeds. Blend these all for 10 to 15 seconds so that these should have this type of consistency. Not so fine but little bit rough. Now take this mixture in a mixing bowl. We need to add some binding agent to it, so we are adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of gram flour, that is besan, and for crunchiness also add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Now let's add some spices which include salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a bit more of coriander powder which gives nice flavor. Also add some ajwain and white sesame seeds, and finally some fresh coriander leaves. Now it's time to mix all these well. Now heat a pan and grease it with oil or butter or ghee. Take some part of prepared mixture and give it nice round shape. It can be small or large, anything you want. Keep the burner on low to medium flame and roast the tikkis on both the sides. 2 to 3 minutes on each side is okay. You will get light golden color once you flip it. And you can see because of beetroot we got golden pinkish color, which is good to impress kids or guests. We can serve these tikkis with green chutney or tomato ketchup or any sauce you want. This is the best option for kids lunchbox as well. Now tikkis are ready. It's time to serve and enjoy. I am ending this video here. Let's meet in the next video with some new dish or new recipe. Please do not forget to hit the like button if you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching.